Hello, my dear little kids. Welcome back to my English class. I have come here with another interesting topic. Today we will learn the use of a and an. We will learn the use of a and an. I know all of you have done it in your previous class, right? So at first, let us revise those. Children, do you have best friends? Okay, I also have many best friends and I love them a lot. Children, in your previous class, you have learned about vowels and consonants best friend, right? Can you tell me who is the best friend of consonants? Very good. A is the best friend of consonants. And children, now tell me who is the best friend of vowels? Very good. An is the best friend of vowels. So children, what we have learned just now? A is the best friend of consonant and an is the best friend of vowels. Consonant's best friend is A and vowel's best friend is an. And now we are going to learn where to use A and where to use an. So children, come, let's see. Dear children, at the top corner of your copy, write today's date. Then on the heading, write use of a and an. Children, let us read the heading together. USE, use. OF, of. A, AND, and. AN. Use of a and an. At first, children, we will learn where to use a and where to use an. So here I have written two important points. See, I have star marked these points. What I have written? Now let us read it together. WEV, USE, use. A, WITH, with. CON, con. SO, so. NANT, nant. Consonant. SOUNDS, sounds. We use A with consonant sounds. So children, where we use A? We use A before consonant sounds. Means the word that starts with a consonant. The word that starts with a consonant or the word that begins with a consonant sound. We will always write A before that. We have to write A before consonant sound word. So children, here dash FROG, frog. So tell me children, which is the beginning alphabet? In this word frog, which alphabet comes at first? Yes, F comes at first. F comes at first. So F, this F. Now tell me children, this F is a vowel or a consonant? Very good. This F is a consonant. And what is the sound of F? F. F. The sound of F is F. The sound of F is F. So we use A before consonant sound. So F is a consonant alphabet and F is a consonant sound. So before frog we will write A frog, a frog. Now let us see the next one. Dash House, house. Dash house. Now children, tell me which one is the beginning alphabet in this word house? Very good. H. H sounds H. Now H is a consonant or a vowel? Very good. H is a consonant and H is a consonant sound. So what should we write before house? A or an? Very good. We will write A before house. We will write A before house. So children, hope you have understood where to use A, right? We use A before consonant sounds. Now let us see the next point. All of you please read with me. WEV, UAC use, AN, WITH with, VOWEL vowel, SOUNDS sounds. We use an with vowel sounds. So children, we use an before vowel sounds means the word that starts with a vowel or the word that begins with a vowel sound. The word that begins with a vowel or a vowel sound. We will write an before that word. We will write an before that word. So children, here I have written dash ANT ant. Dash ANT ant. In this word ant, which one is the beginning alphabet? Very good. This word ant starts with the alphabet A. Alphabet A. Now children, tell me what is the sound of A? Yes, A. A sounds A. Now, this A is a vowel or a consonant? Very good. A is a vowel. A is a vowel. So, A is a vowel sound. So, what we have to write before vowel sound words? Very good. We will write an. So, we will write an before vowel sound words. Next, our next word is dash UMBRELLA dash umbrella. Now children, this word umbrella starts with which alphabet? Very good. It starts with alphabet U. And tell me children, what is the sound of U? Very good. So this U or the sound is a consonant sound or a vowel sound. Yes, U means is a vowel sound. So what should we write before this? Very good. We will write an before umbrella because it starts with umbrella and is a vowel sound. So we will write an before umbrella. So children, what we have learned? We use A with consonant sound words and we use an before vowel sound words. Now children, here I have written few words. You have to fill these gaps with A or an. I know you all are very smart and you can do it by yourself, right? Here you have to fill in with A or an. Number 1, dash ICE ice, CREAM cream, ice cream dash ice cream. Children, do you love to eat ice cream? Yes, I know. Even I also love to eat ice cream. Now tell me children, this word ice cream starts with which alphabet? Very good, I. I. Now I is a vowel or a consonant? Yes, it's a vowel. It's a vowel. So what should we write before vowel? Who is vowel's best friend? Yes, Anne is vowel's best friend. Anne is vowel's best friend. So here we will write A in Anne. Because I is here, I is a vowel. So we will write Anne ice cream. Now the next one, number 2, dash TREE tree. Here, which is the first alphabet in this word tree? Yes, T is the first alphabet. T means T. T. Now this T is a vowel sound or a consonant. Is it a vowel or a consonant? T. Yes, it's a consonant. So who is consonant's best friend? Very good. A is consonant's best friend. So here we will write A. So children, I hope you have understood how you have to do. First you have to see the beginning alphabet. Then you have to find out whether the alphabet is vowel or a consonant. If it is a vowel, then vowel's best friend is An. You will write An before it. And if it is a consonant, then consonant's best friend is A. You will write A before that word. Okay? So I have done number 1 and 2 for you. Number 3, 4 and 5 you will do it by yourself.